All right. Oh, scheiße. Okay. Sorry about that. Believe there are no Germans here. Okay, so good evening to you all. I welcome you once again to this evening's business presentation. I'm Doris Angel, a Ghanaian residing in Germany. Sorry for the time wasting. So, this evening, I would like to introduce you to the four quadrants of how we can earn money. Okay, there are four ways, and one can earn through being employed. Okay, it means you have a job and they are paying you. So it means if you work for 10 hours, you are going to be paid based on the 10 hours that you have worked. Okay, so those who fall under the employee quadrant, there's no leverage. It means if you are sick and you do not go to work, you are not being paid, right? Now, let us move to self employed. So, self employed is someone who owns a job, okay? So, they are their own boss. And whatever time you invest into your business will determine the outcome or how much you would be earning. So, under the self employed, too, there is nothing like leverage, okay? So, with the employee and self employed, it's active income. You need to show up, you need to be present to be able to earn. Now let's look at the other half side of the quadrant. So, business owner, someone who is a business owner is someone who owns a system whereby people work for you. Okay. So, the more people you have in your business, the more money it makes for you. Okay. So, over here under the business owner, it means you are leveraging on people. Okay. Now, let's look at the investor. So with the investor, your money works for you, okay? So if you have $10 invested, your $10 will be making profit based on the $10. You understand? So the more money, the more money you would make back if you are investing. So it means your money is working for you. So with being an investor, you don't need to show up. It's only your money that needs to show up. I hope that is clear. Now, with a business owner too, you're leveraging on people. Okay. So now you know the active income and the passive income. You should know where to fall. If you are under active income, it's not a mistake, but it's never too late to add some passive income because it's good to earn passively. Okay, you are not doing anything. Your presence is not there, but you are making money. Okay, that is really sweet. And in this world that we are in, it's good to earn passively. Okay, so that is the four ways to earn income. Okay, and this cash flow quadrant was introduced by Robert Kiyosaki. All right. So, how do you grow your wealth? How do you grow your wealth? There are so many ways one can grow wealth, okay? Meaning the money that you have made, at least you should be able to grow it so that it can yield more fruit for you, okay? So, people invest into bank shares. Okay, the bank has a lot of different types of products that they introduce to their customers. Okay, now with the bank shares, it's possible for you to make 5% to 7% per annum. That one quite dependent on the product you are going in for. Okay, and also how much is involved. Then we have gold or silver. So with the gold or silver, it's possible for one to make 3 to 9% per annum. Then we have the mutual funds to 12 to 15% per annum. If we say per annum, it means the whole year. Okay. Then the real estate is 15 to 20% per annum. Now, when you look at the graph here, you can see that with crypto, one can be able to earn a lot when you invest or grow your wealth through cryptocurrencies. Now, that brings us to my next question. What is cryptocurrency? Because a lot of people have been hearing crypto, crypto, crypto. They don't even know what it is. So, in 2008, a group of people, anonymously known as Satoshi Nakamoto, created the first and leading cryptocurrency in the markets today, Bitcoin. Then in 2009, Bitcoin was launched to the world. Presently, there are more than 20,000 cryptocurrencies and they are increasing as day goes by. Okay. Now, the popularity among its users is increasing due to its substantial growth in value over the years. Imagine a coin that was less than a dollar, $1. And today, as I'm talking to you, the price of this coin is hovering around 100,000 and above. Let us quickly check that on Coin Market Cap. I think the last time, yeah, 109,000. When I checked, it was 108,000. So it's even increasing, okay? It's appreciating. So ask yourself, how is that possible? Because when you calculate, you take 2009 from 2025, how many years now intervals? So it's a living proof, it's a testimony that wow, indeed cryptocurrency is a good asset. Because just look at Bitcoin, for instance, a coin that was less than a dollar, the all-time low of Bitcoin is not up to $1. But look at the all-time high. Let me tap on it so that we can look at it. Okay, so this is the all-time low. When Bitcoin was first launched into like the world, it was less than $1. Look at it. All-time high, 111,000. That is crazy. Okay, and within the last 24 hours, 46.34 billion has been pumped into the market. That is a lot of money. Okay. So, guys, this should tell you that cryptocurrency is not a joke. Okay. Let's go back to our presentation. So, uh, there are some key facts or uh, some features to know about cryptocurrency. Okay. So, they are global digital currency. Now, crypto is a digital money that can be used globally with the same value worldwide. It means wherever you are in this world, if you have some amount of crypto, it's the same value in a different country. Okay. Blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency runs on blockchain and it is secured by cryptography that makes it hack proof and also has the fastest transaction mode. I can be here in Germany and send money to someone in Ghana. Through cryptocurrency, the person will get it. If it's the same exchange, the person can get it instant. If it's not the same exchange, between 1 to 3 minutes, the person should get the money. Unlike the banks, okay, if I want to send money through the bank to someone in Ghana, I have to do an international transfer. That is going to cost me for transaction fees. I'm also going to spend a lot of time for the money to get there because it will not get there the next day or even the same day. It might take 5 to 7 working days. That's a lot, right? But with cryptocurrency, it's possible for you to send money through it and it will get there within the shortest period of time. Decentralized finance. Cryptocurrency transactions are peer to peer and not controlled by any central authority or bank. It means with cryptocurrency, nobody controls it. Okay, like the banks do not have control over it, or uh, a central authority. Okay, it's peer to peer. We call crypto money created for the people, money by the people as well. Okay, so with this, you know that you have full control. Sorry about that. Now, let us look at the growth. Okay. So, Bitcoin, along with many other cryptocurrencies, have shown the highest growth in value in the last 10 years. This makes cryptocurrency the best performing digital asset as compared to any other forms of investment. Now, let us look at the screen here. You would see Amazon, Tesla, Apple, S&P 500, Google, Microsoft, and gold. But look at Bitcoin, the growth. This is mind blowing. This is huge. So, this is a proof that indeed Bitcoin is the best performing assets within the last decade. Now, someone here would be wondering, how can I earn through cryptocurrency? Now, there are so many ways one can earn. I'm just going to mention a few. We have investing and holding. Now, crypto investing is the act of buying and holding crypto assets to derive higher appreciation in the near future. Mining. Mining is the process used to generate new coins and verify new transactions over decentralized networks of computers around the world that verify and secure blockchains. Then we have staking. Staking is when you lock your crypto assets for a set period of time to help support the operation of a blockchain. In return for staking your crypto, you earn more cryptocurrency. Now let's look like the popular way of earning through cryptocurrency. We have the trading. Most people mistaking trading for investing. Okay, if you are investing in crypto, it simply means you are buying an asset and you are waiting for some years to come before you sell it. Maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 10 years. It all depends on you. Okay, but with the trading, that one inclines more towards the shorter or quicker route. It seeks refuge in the volatility of the crypto markets to make the best of price fluctuations. Now, one can pay close attention to the crypto market and invest in day trading for quicker trading profits. Okay, so that is what most of us do. Okay, we buy low at a particular price and wait for the market to rise, then we sell to make profit. All right, now I believe you'd want to learn, or you would love to be part if you are not yet on board, or you haven't yet uh joined the moving train. And it's good to learn, right? It's good to, because this is the currency now that a lot of countries are adopting. So the earlier the better. Now, in everything we do in life, like there are requirements. You need to have some sort of requirements to be able to get on board. Okay. So with the crypto trading too, there are three essential requirements that one needs before starting the crypto business. You need knowledge, you need time, you need patience. Now, if you don't have all these things, you don't need to worry, because I have the ultimate solution for you, which is the Royal Q, the Royal Quantitative Artificial Intelligence Robot. Okay, it's a super intelligence automated crypto trading bot that uses artificial intelligence algorithms to trade for you in your crypto exchanges. Now, someone might not understand what crypto exchanges are. So, crypto exchanges are simply platforms where one can buy crypto, one can sell crypto, one can withdraw, one can deposit, one can trade, one can convert crypto to fiat or fiat to crypto. If we say fiat, fiat is our native currency. Like in Germany, here we spend the euro. In the United Kingdom, they also spend the pounds. In the USA, they spend the US dollar. In Ghana, they spend the Ghana cedis. In Nigeria, Nigerian naira, and so on. Those are what we call fiat, okay, fiat currencies. Now, just think of it as if you are hiring a cryptocurrency trading expert to do your crypto trading while you can sit back and watch the profit grow. So it's like, take it as if the RoyalQ robot is your crypto trading expert. It will do the work for you. Okay. All right. Now, let's look at some quick features of RoyalQ. What makes RoyalQ the best and different among the rest? One, security. Security matters in everything that we do. Your capital and your trading profit remains in your exchange wallet, in your control, on which RoyalQ doesn't have any permission to withdraw or transfer. I did a lot of online businesses in the past and I never had control over my capital. But with this business, I can boldly say I control my capital. Okay. Two, super intelligent. RoyalQ executes quantitative trading using AI, artificial intelligence, real time monitoring and tracking of big data algorithms. That is, continuous income is generated. Three, the robot works 24/7. Why? Because the cryptocurrency that we are trading to, we trade 24/7. So therefore, the RoyalQ trades for you also 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week, 365 days in a year without taking a leave. So it has the real time monitoring. So even whilst you are asleep, the robot can still be making profit for you whilst it's on automatic mode. Four, there are no losses, only profit. Yes, you heard me right. There are no losses, only profit. Now, with RoyalQ, there is no risk of loss as the robot is not programmed to trade in loss. It's only programmed to trade in profit. So if you enter into a particular coin or you enter into an asset, okay, you bought it at a price. When the price does not appreciate to sell for you and the price depreciates, the price goes down than the value at which you bought it at, the robot will not sell. Rather, it will buy more of the cheaper price for you. Then once the price goes up, it sells for you. So this is why we say the robot does not trade at a loss. Five, maximum return on investment. Although the profits we make here is dependent on two major factors, your capital and the market movement, that's the market conditions. Still, you can expect 10 to 30% monthly profit. And in the long term, 100% to 500 annual return on investment. Six, affiliate income. Now, RoyalQ also comes with an exciting affiliate program, which is completely optional. You can decide to do RoyalQ alone without activating anybody. You will still make your profit. Okay. Now, if you want to share the benefits with your friends, you earn wonderful commissions on their profits as well. Okay, so if you want to share RoyalQ with your loved ones, with your friends, you are compensated beautifully. Now, how do you get started? There are two major applications you need. One, the RoyalQ app. Two, the exchange. Now, with the RoyalQ, you can connect to 9 different exchanges: Binance, HTX, Indodax, Kraken, KuCoin, Mexi, Gate.io, Bybit, and OKS. These 9 exchanges, you can connect it to the Royal Q robot. Okay. Now you would need a referral link so you don't end up getting a fake Royal Q app. So you need a referral link, you register successfully, you are redirected to another page where you'll be able to download the app, the authentic app through your respective stores. Now let us look at some features of Binance. Now, Binance is the world's largest crypto marketplace, the world's first run crypto exchange, and sometimes it can have a trading volume of more than 76 billion. It's known to be the leading crypto exchange in the world. It has highly secure facilities, up to 5 levels of security keys. Those of us using Binance can testify. Okay. Only you can withdraw or transfer. If I give my credentials to Rabbi Elvis, there is no way he can enter into my Binance. If I give him my email and my password. Why? Because he needs my face. Because with my Binance, you have to open it with your face. Okay, with my face. So if my face is not his, it's useless having all these credentials. That is why we say even not RoyalQ can even withdraw from your exchange. You are the only one that can withdraw or transfer funds. Now, a recap of RoyalQ. It's an AI robotic trading platform trading on all the 9 exchanges I just mentioned. It has over 2 million users worldwide and in over 200 countries. Okay. Now, the Royal Q Robot has made a profit of over 184 million USDT, if I'm not mistaken. It's also known to be the top 7 financial app on iOS and Google Play. It is the first quantitative AI trading application. Most people have it twisted when they are like, hey, I hope this business will not take my money away. Or no, the Royal Q app is a financial tool that helps you to trade in cryptocurrency. It has no access to your funds. Okay. Now, another feature of the Royal Q is the API binding. Okay. So with the API binding is uh the connectivity that helps your exchange and the Royal Q robot to be able to communicate. And what does it do basically? It reads and sell. Okay. So it reads your balances, then buy and sell. Okay. So you have nothing to be afraid of that. Hey, if I connect the robot to my exchange, won't it blow my funds away? No, it won't. Even if you're a P2P trader, it's not going to do that. Okay. All right. Now, there are two major fees in Royal Q. We have the activation fees, which is the annual subscription. Then we have the fuel fees. Now, with the annual subscription, you pay 120 USDT. You can also call it US dollar since the USDT token is pegged against the US dollar. Now, out of the 120, Royal Q distributes 80 back to its users who promotes the application. Then they keep the rest. Now, the fuel fees is 20% of the profit that you make daily. Of every trading profit Royal Q makes for you, it deducts 20 as fuel fees. This fees is charged only when you make profit, not on your capital. So your capital of $1,000 or whatever amount is there. It's the profit that you made on the $1,000 that is being deducted. I hope that is clear. Now, this 20%, Royal Q converts it into 100, then keeps 30 and distributes 70 back to its users who promotes the application. Now, in Royal Q, there are 4 ways one can earn income. One, the self-trading profit. Then two, the team trading profit. That is those that you have introduced to the opportunity. Anytime they activate or if they are trading and they are making profit, you, their inviter or you, their team leader, will also be compensated beautifully. Another way to earn is through the mentorship program. So the mentorship program is whereby mentors that guide their mentees are being compensated with through the RoyalQ system. So let's say if your upline is responsible for you, but your upline is not available or your upline does not really helps you, okay, whatever benefits your upline is supposed to make from you is being shared into two. Your upline will get half, then you, the mentor, will also get half. So that is the mentorship. Then, lastly, we have copy traders. So, who are copy traders? They are also traders like you and I, but they have brought out their own unique trade settings that if any of the members in the community decide to join them, they pay what we call strategy fee. So you, aside pool fee, be ready to pay strategy fees if you join a copy trader. Okay. Now, the self-trading profit that I've already explained is a non-working income as you don't have to trade manually. Okay. RoyalQ trades for you 24/7. You just set it up, you give it the instructions, then the robot does the rest of the work. Now, the profit you make is dependent on two major factors: your capital and the market movement. To earn better returns, provide sufficient funds in your exchange and let the bot trade for you at least 1 to 2 years. You cannot just test the robot for 1 day or 1 week. Then you're like, I don't like these returns, I'm leaving. No. Give yourself at least 1 to 2 years. Then you'll be able to see the best results. Okay. All right. Now let us look at the activation bonus. The activation bonus is the bonus that you receive when you refer someone and they activate RoyalQ using your invitation link. Okay, so you earn between 30 to 70. Now, this money comes instantly, but one can withdraw it after 24 hours. Now, team trading profits. So, RoyalQ also rewards you a share in the trading profits of your direct and indirect team members, which is 4 to 12%. Okay. Now, the table below shows the ranks that we have and the benefits that one makes on each rank. Okay. Yeah. So team members, the total team members that qualifies you to the next rank, you'll be able to see it and the directly push award. Now with this one, you don't see the indirect. It's only the direct one that you are able to see. But the indirect bonuses starts from the second level and above. Okay. All right. So below is also the potential income. That is those who share the opportunity. This is an estimate of daily potential income. It's not actually real that if you're on this rank by hook or crook, you earn this. No, because if you and your team members are not working hand in hand, there is no way you earn this potential income. Now, let me explain the global dividends because it's a special earnings for the last rank earners. Okay. Now, the global dividends is you having a share in the company's global turnover. This income is reserved exclusively for the last rank earners. We call them the V6, okay, VIP6 rank holders. Now, along with all other incomes, they receive a share in the company's global income. So aside they having their team members that they earn from, they also earn from people that they never brought into the opportunity. They don't even know the people exist. Okay. Now we have the activation global dividend, which is $10 from all the global activations is accumulated and shared among all the V6 daily. Then the trading global dividends. This is 2% from every trading profit earned globally. Okay, it's taken from the fuel fees and shared among all the V6 monthly. So with the V6, they earn two types of fees. One every day, then another one once in a month. Isn't that beautiful? That is so awesome. My upline is already on this rank and I can see the money he's earning. Okay, guys. The last bull run season, it was crazy. People I know personally on this rank were making $10,000 a day, 5,000, 8,000. This one is not they say. Oh, I saw it. I happen to be friends with three people who are on this rank, so I know what I'm talking about. Okay. Now, I'm going to end my presentation, but let me quickly send you to the RoyalQ application so that you see how the application looks like. Okay, so this is how the app looks like. This is the interface of the app. The 9 exchanges that I made mention of is all here. You'll be able to see all the 9 exchanges. Okay, so depending on your region or the country in which you find yourself, would recommend to you which one to go in for. Okay. Now, anytime the robot purchases or sells for you, it gives you a notification under the order message. Okay, you'll be able to see it. I don't know, someone joined using this link. Meanwhile, I never shared it. I suspect it's from the Saturday meeting because after the meeting, then I got the alert. So I don't know whether when I was sharing my screen, someone saw my code and went to download the app. Okay, and it's funny. I'll not be able to chat the person because unless they activate before I can chat them. Okay, so yes, this is how the RoyalQ app looks like. These are all the coins we have on the Binance. You can see the ones that are in green percentage means they are doing well or they are going up. The ones that are in red means it's coming down. Okay. All right. So you'll be able to see everything. If I go to strategy, you see the coins that are currently in trade, that are currently running for me. Okay. So this is how the RoyalQ application looks like. It's a user-friendly app. And if you want to know more about the app, you shouldn't miss the Saturday meetings because that is the new user uh guide orientation where I'll take you through the whole app from home to the mine button. Okay. Now, if you do not have trading capital, you can still do this business. My upline and I started without a trading capital. Okay. That didn't stop us from getting on board. Today we are trading. Okay. But we made the trading capital from sharing of the opportunity. All hands are not equal. Okay, someone will be able to get trading capital, others too will not be able. But I'm just here to let you know that even without trading capital, you can start by just activating your bot and you share the opportunity. Through there, you'll be able to make some money because you are leveraging on other people who have the capital or the activation fee uh, to be able to activate their Royal Cube robots. Now, someone will be wondering, is it possible for me to withdraw if I decide to share this opportunity? Is it possible for me to withdraw? Yes, it's possible. I'm just going to show you just a glimpse of it so you can see. Okay, so when you tap on assets on the Royal Q app, you'll be able to see the reward bonuses that you have made from your teams. Okay, so you can see team quantification, peer reward, team quantification. Now I'm going to tap on the withdrawal button so that you'll be able to see. Okay, so this is 312 reward bonus, 443, 120, 470, 166, 124, 272, 138, all in May. Okay, this is money made from leveraging on people. Okay, with the trading profit, it goes directly into your exchange because that is where your trading capital is. But if you're sharing the opportunity, you can withdraw the benefits. Okay, there are businesses I did in the past to withdraw your own money, Charlie. It's crazy, man. But with this, you don't have a problem. Any amount you withdraw, RoyalQ charges 2 USDT. Since 2021, I started using this app till now. It's been two. Unless Binance, if they increase the TRC20 network to 2.5, that is when RoyalQ also increases, but it has never gone above that before. Okay, so that is the RoyalQ opportunity I have presented to you guys this evening. Please, it's time for questions. If you have any questions, um, kindly tap on the reactions below to be able to ask your questions. Don't be shy. In German, we say Fragen kostenlos. It means you do not have to pay any money to question, okay, to ask a question. Is all right. So tap on reactions, tap on raise hand. I'll be able to see your hand among the participants. I see a lot of new people are here. If you have any question, don't be shy. If you are shy, you can type it in the chat and I'm going to address it. Okay. If you want to know how much in total you need to get started, just ask. Okay. All right. I see a lot of new people here. Don't be don't be disturbed or offended if I mention your name, because I always like to do this. It's like my tradition. I do this if I don't know you. Okay, I know Essie. I don't know Abacha. I don't know you. Amatu. I don't know you. Annette RG. I don't know you. Darren. I don't know you. Wow, we have a lot of new people today. Fabian East. Hey, I don't know you, Fabian. Nice name. Florence. I know you. Hey, iPhone. We have two iPhones. So how will we be able to know who you people are? So iPhone, the two iPhone people. Okay, one just changed the name from iPhone to James. So James Camus. I don't know you. Now second iPhone, we are waiting for you to also change your name. Jean, I know you. Dr. Kadi Young, I know you. Oh, Margaret. There are two Margarets. Is it my own Margaret or a new Margaret has joined? So I know Margaret from South Sudan uses the name Margaret's iPhone. Mausinam, wow, you made it my namesake. She's here. Moses, I know you. Mr. Charles, I know you, yeah, bro. My Linda Justine, I don't know you. You're welcome. Nomachawe Impini, I think you're already in my team, if I'm not mistaken, under leader Margaret. Omad, how do you pronounce this name? Ahmed, Ahmed or Omad. I don't know you. Patricia Melling. Patricia, I think you attended one of our meetings, if I'm not mistaken, because I've seen this name before. Princess Minat, I know you. Madam Rebecca, I know you. My sweet mommy from UK, I know you already. Rosita Pearl, I don't know you. And Samsung SMA. I think you've been attending. Princess Minat, I know you. Dr. Umatu, I know you. Okay, Darren's hands is up. So, hi, Darren. Kindly unmute yourself and ask your question, please. Hi, Darren. Okay, I
Hi,
think he didn't get the notification.
can you hear
Okay.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
I'm from Grenada. I have a question. You mentioned getting the link to sign up beside getting to just download the app, just like that. But how
Yeah.
can someone get? Is there anyone in Grenada that you know of that may have a link that we could get, or can you send a link to someone?
Yeah, Darren. So whoever invited you to this meeting, you have to get the referral links from them, both the
Oh,
exchange and also the Royal Q. So you don't end up getting a fake. Because with the Royal Q on Google Play Store and on the Android store, there are fake apps. So if you're
oh,
mistaken and you don't know, you download the wrong one, you might end up depositing onto the wrong platform. As for that, the Royal Q cannot prevent people from creating a duplicate. That's why you need to pass through the right process. So I don't know who invited you to the Zoom meeting or wherever you get the link from. You can go back to the group and ask for a link to get started. Okay.
Sure, thanks.
Okay, if I may ask, where did you get the link from?
Friend.
A friend. Okay, good. So you can go back to that friend and ask for a referral link to be able to get on board. So your friend will be able to get in touch with we, the leaders. Then we can guide you because the new people, it's our duty to guide you through the right process. So you do the right thing. Okay, so Darren, nice to
Thank
have you
you.
here. Welcome. Okay, so I'm going to lower her hand. Then, okay, so that is all the question. Don't you have any other question? Abacha says, Doris, I got activated today. Oh, nice. And I was very pleased with your presentation earlier, but today I had a great time setting the strategy. So far, so good. Wow. You're welcome, Abacha. Okay. Nice to have you. So I see Essie. Okay, Essie, your hands are up. You are not a prospect. I hope the question is related to the presentation because if it's not, then we have to do it backdoors or you wait for Wednesday.
Okay, yes, it is about a presentation. Some people that I've invited at work, and I wanted to know, is there another time, maybe your time, that after 5, 6, 7 o'clock that they're able to log on to hear the presentation?
Uh you mean currently it's 8:50 at my end. So what time are you
Right.
referring to?
No, do you have meetings any other
Time.
time,
Okay.
your time, and then we
Okay.
could work out what time here?
Okay, so we do have prospect presentations on the WhatsApp groups. That is just a written form plus audio form. So if they can follow with that, fine. If they can't, then we'll have to plan and reschedule a time. There are some people that can call me or some of the leaders that, oh, I have a group of 5 people who really wants to know more about this opportunity. Is 3 p.m. okay for you? Would you be available? If yes, then we arrange it. Okay. So Essie, we can arrange for that. If this time is not conducive for them, we can arrange for a different time. Okay.
Okay, I'll get back to them. Thanks.
All right, no problem. Welcome. But better still, this Zoom is recorded. So if you're like, oh, I really want my prospect to hear this particular one, you can get it on my YouTube channel. I have a lot of other old videos there that you can also grab. Okay. So that is it. I'm going to lower Essie's hand and take another question. Don't you guys have any question? It means you guys understood everything. So, my Linda Justin or Melinda Justin from South Sudan. Apologies for joining late. Kindly share the recording so that I can catch up. Okay, great. So, Melinda Justin, it's still being recorded. So once we are done completely, uh you'll get the recorded version. But let me still post the YouTube channel so those of you who do not have it can subscribe to it so that you can get the notification once I post the other one. Okay, so I'm sharing it now in the group. Yeah, sorry, I'm sharing it on the Zoom chat so that everybody can have access to it. If you haven't subscribed, please do. There are also teachings, not only prospect meetings, there are also teachings. You can use them or you can also share with your team members. Okay. So, iPhone is asking, please, can you explain further the annual subscription, fuel fee, and the 20 deduction on profit? Okay, so iPhone. The annual subscription is you paying 120 for the usage of the robots, the bots that will be buying low, selling high. As you are sleeping, you are not around, you're on holidays, the robot is busy working for you. That is the 120. Now, the fuel fee is whatever profit you make from your trading. Mind you, the 120 is not the trading capital. The 120 is the service fee being charged for using the robot for a whole year. Then the fuel fee is 20% of whatever profit you make. Let's say, for instance, you enter into a trade, the robot closes for you, it gave you a profit of $5. The system deducts 20% of that $5 from your fuel fee. So you need to deposit fuel fee on the RoyalQ app. Since RoyalQ cannot go into your exchange to deduct 20% out of whatever profit you made, they deduct it from the fuel fee. So all the 100% profit goes into your exchange, but 20% of that 100% profit is deducted from the fuel fee under assets, under the strategy fuel, sorry. So that is the 20% deduction. It's not like the fuel fee is different from the 20% deduction on profit. The 20% is the same as the fuel fees. Okay, so iPhone, I hope you got that right. Now, the minimum trading capital I can recommend for you guys to start with is 100 USDT. So if you put 100 plus the 120 plus fuel fee of at least 20, everything will be 240. Some people used to round it and make it 250 or 300. So it depends on you. Okay. Okay, I'm coming. All right. So is that all? Is that all the questions? It seems you guys understood everything perfect because nobody's asking any question. Just feel free, type it in the chat or raise your hands up because exactly 5 minutes we'll be closing this meeting. We'll be ending. So just ask, but maybe the question will come later, not now. Or you go and discuss with your friend or your spouse. They'll be like, what about this? How do they do this? You can ask on the prospect group that you were added on, or whoever shared the link with you. You can throw that question to them. If they cannot address it, they would send it to their respective leaders who will be able to address them. So I'm going to stop my recording so I don't get a long video, okay?